Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the workbook and going straight to the sheet with the misaligned columns. Select the column header or drag across multiple headers. Once selected, you can act on all of them at once. If you need non-adjacent columns, hold Control while clicking each header. Make sure cells are unlocked if protected, otherwise changes won't apply. Once the correct columns are highlighted, you're ready to change width manually or use automatic sizing to match content precisely. Once columns are selected, double-click the right border of any selected header to auto-fit widths to the longest cell. This is fast and preserves content visibility. If you prefer a custom size, click and drag the border until the display looks right. This is useful for aesthetic spacing. For exact control, right-click, choose column width, and type a number. Excel measures in character units, so small numeric changes adjust text wrapping and layout predictably. Combine methods as needed. Finish by reviewing wrapped cells and merge cells because they often prevent proper sizing. If sizing seems ignored, unmerge problem cells or unprotect the sheet before retrying. Once done, switch to page layout or print preview to ensure column widths behave when printed or exported as PDF. If columns still collapse, check for hidden columns or conditional formatting forcing narrow displays. If one step fails, revert and apply a different sizing method to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.